Hey everybody, Dan Prey from Motoprimo Motorsports in Lakeville, Minnesota. Nice cold day here in Minnesota. I just wanted to show you this trade-in. It's a 2010 Yamaha Nytro. This is the MTX 162. Just in on trade. And this has some interesting stuff on it. That's right, this is a turbocharged 4-stroke 3-cylinder sled for the mountains, all ready to go. The really cool thing about this sled is in excellent condition. Only 180 miles on it. As you can see, nothing's broken, nothing's beat up. A-arms are all perfectly straight. Skis look great. Track's like brand new. You can see we got a Idaho tag here, Montana tag. So it's been out a couple times in the mountains. Now the turbo kit was installed by Push, by the owner of Push. The gentleman that owned this was actually his wife's sled that she would take out and ride with him. We'll fire this up so you can see. Cool thing about the Yamaha sleds is they are all electric start. This sled has Fox float 2s up front, fully adjustable, air shocks. Air shocks in the skid, same setup. This sled is tuned for the mountains, it's tuned for elevation, so not something you're going to ride around Minnesota. You can, if you do retune it, reclutch it, then it'd be fine, be ready to go. This is just a really awesome sled. It's going to be a great deal. So if you are looking for something like this, check us out, www.motoprimo.com. Give us a call at 952-465-0500. This is Dan from Motoprimo. Thanks, guys.